TinyWonderVille! Let's push these leaves open.
Whoa! Look where we are!
This jungle is amazing! Wow, look at all the butterflies! They're so beautiful! Let's follow them. Wow, look at those! What are they? Ooh, look at the birdies! They're so colorful! Wow, look at us! I can see myself. Look at my silly face. Let's go! Look, the sparkly waterfall! Let's go! Let's go this way. I'm right behind you. This is so much fun. Let's go to the treehouse. Yay! Treehouse adventure. I'm gonna get there first. Wow, this is the best treehouse ever. Look at all the pretty lights. Let's go explore. Wow, I can see a lion. Whee! Here we go. Let's go on an adventure. Thanks for watching TinyWonderVille.